Welcome to Appetite for Cooking.
On today's episode, we make Meyer chicken. Combine oranges, lemons, herbs, spices. A beautiful combination which family and friends will enjoy. Join us on today's episode where we will show you how to make this dish.
Let's get started.
The ingredients for this recipe, which is a fairly simple recipe, are lemons, oranges, shallots, grapeseed oil or any other light oil that you would prefer, salt, and black pepper. Okay, I have added some olive oil, in this case grapeseed oil, to the pan. Now, let's add the lemon and orange slices in no particular order to the pan. This is in preparation prior to adding our chicken, our main ingredient, to this recipe. Okay, we have the chicken now and we're now adding it to the pan. We're placing it on top of the orange and lemon slices. Now we will place the slices under the skin of the chicken. The goal is to fill most of the front area, the breast area of the chicken, with the lemon and the orange slices. As you can see, we are continuing to add the lemon and orange slices under the skin of the chicken. This chicken is spatchcocked or butterfly cut. So much easier to prepare a chicken this way. Faster, so much better. The lemon slices being placed under the skin helps with the breakdown of the meat. It makes it moist, it makes it nice and tender, and overall a wonderful, wonderful fragrant. We are now ready to season our chicken. Now we're going to use the oil that we had set aside, the grapeseed oil, to coat the chicken. So we're now pouring that oil over the chicken, massaging it into the skin and making sure that it is fully coated. Now that it's fully coated, we're going to add our dry spices. Now those dry spices will be your black pepper, and we're slowly rubbing that in, and then your salt. Continuing to rub that in, making sure that chicken is fully coated. And also, as an aside, the oil is very helpful when you're roasting your chicken because it will heat up, make that skin nice and crispy, and eventually turn it a wonderful golden brown appearance. Now, as far as the shallots, we are going to add that later. Our spices are fully coated around the chicken, which it appears to be. We're now going to put that chicken in the oven for about 20 minutes and let it cook a little, and then we will pull that out, and later we will add those shallots. And we need to check in on the chicken, and we need to now add our shallots. Just sprinkle it around the chicken, no particular order, just toss it in there, and then we're going to place the chicken back in the oven to roast for an additional 30 minutes. Keep in mind, though, that even though I say 30 minutes, that 30 minutes may be longer based on the temperature reading of your meat thermometer. If it reads about 165 degrees, it's probably cooked. If it's less, I would recommend that you have that roast a little bit longer just for precautionary measures. We've just pulled this out of the oven and we're so pleased with how it looks. Great coloration. See how the roasted skin is practically grill-like? That's the heated oil creating that effect. The oranges and lemons look caramelized. It looks fantastic. I can't wait to dig in. Enjoy this meal, everyone, and join us again for another episode of Appetite for Cooking.